I laughed at all his words. I thought he was a bitter man. He spoke of women's ways. They'll trap you, then they use you, and before you even know. For love is blind and you're far too kind. Don't ever let it show. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger. The can such a pretty show. It steals your heart away.
And here we have a carnation. It's yellow. It probably looks a little white, but it's yellow. Okay. Now in our lesson today, of course, y'all remember the stem, the flower, okay, and these little things here, called the sepal or the calyx. So we're going to take these off. You see them? There. Right here. Sepals, calyx. I'm going to, now if you're doing one at home, please have your parents do this with you. Okay? Take huge stem off. Now we have, and then you can see here some other sepals starting to grow right there. See it in the sepal calyx? See that? Cool. Okay. We can remove that too. This one. One. And look, you can see how they're trying to become part of a flower. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to squeeze. Of course, you've got the petal. Okay. I'm going to just squeeze. I'm going to open it up carefully. Ooh. Now just from doing the one this morning and then the lily, open this up. You start seeing some we've been talking about, the male reproductive organs and the female. See that? So I've been painting my front door red and been painting around the house, so that's why my fingernails look like this. Can you see? I'll get closer. All right. Can you see the stamen, the male reproductive parts? Can you see the anther and the filament? Because the anther and the filament, anther plus the filament equals the stamen. Can you find it? Right. These little ones, there we go. See that? See the stamen? Okay, and there's the anther. You see the yellow, the very top, the yellow. And then the little stem that holds it is the filament, and that's the male reproductive. And of course, the anther holds the pollen. Okay. Right. And then I'm going to go a little bit deeper and we'll be able to see what's that called? The female reproductive system. What is that called? Do you guys know? Can you think? Can you think? Huh? the pistil, you have the ovary, the round part. You'll see this round part, and I'm going to take it apart better. The round part is the ovary. Okay, the whole thing is a pistil. You have the ovary, the stigma, and the style. The stigma is the top part, the style, and then the ovary. Alright, so let me put this apart carefully. Alright. Now you can see it fell, sorry. Now you can see the stamen better, the male parts. Okay. Now there we go. Yay! Alright. Now my camera, it's weird because it's video recording on the far left hand side, so I keep thinking it's in the center, but it's not. Ooh, there we go. You see that? That's the female reproductive part. This here is the ovary. Okay? That's the ovary. This is the style. And the stigma. And the ovary. And this whole thing is called the pistil. That's the female reproductive organ. And again. Okay. I'm going to cut it open. Inside is the ovules. I'm doing my best. Try to keep it focused. There we go. Ovules. It gets fertilized. By the anther. The anther fertilizes the pistil, comes down the style and into the ovary, which it mixes with the ovules, and then you get more seeds.